Welcome to KaaShaif Motivation.
Unlock your mind's potential, train your brain to make more money. In today's video, we'll explore powerful techniques to train your brain and unlock its potential to attract wealth. Get ready to expand your mindset and take control of your financial destiny. Let's dive in. Did you know that your brain has incredible untapped potential? Number 1. Harness the power of neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's ability to rewire itself and adapt to new patterns of thinking. Through consistent practice, you can train your brain to think abundantly. Number 2. Embrace continuous learning. Expand your knowledge and skill set in areas that align with your financial goals. Read books, attend seminars, and seek mentors who can provide valuable insights. The more you know, the more opportunities you'll uncover to make money. Number 3. Set clear financial goals. Define what you want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. Remember, a clear vision and a plan lead to financial success. Number 4. Master financial management. Develop smart money habits and take control of your finances. By mastering financial management, you pave the way for increased wealth and abundance. Number 5. Take inspired action. Your dreams will remain dreams unless you take proactive steps towards your financial goals. Break free from analysis paralysis and fear of failure. Embrace calculated risks, seize opportunities, and learn from both successes and setbacks. As we conclude today's video, remember that you have the power to shape your financial future. By harnessing the power of neuroplasticity, embracing continuous learning, setting clear financial goals, mastering financial management.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.